Well, it's been a beautiful day on this Monday. Temperatures cooling off a bit over the weekend. We did once again have some spotty raindrops, as mentioned by Mike, but many of those are exiting the area. We still have some for you in Grant County and just a pristine looking sky there, almost cotton candy in color as the sun has exited for the day. 67 degrees at Hector, 68 at Moorheads Airport. And sunset tonight was at 9:26. The dew points are a little high, so it's a little bit on the muggy side out there. And where you see the yellows, we have 60s, including in Grand Forks and Bemidji. 72 for Fergus Falls and Valley City. You have 66 degrees. Here is a look at that radar. Right now, we still have a couple of showers and thunderstorms. One in Grant County here, just to the north and east, not far from the I-94 corridor. But things in northwest Minnesota quieting down substantially. And a closer look at this showing near Elbow Lake and at the Ashby area and into southern and central parts of Otter Tail County. We're seeing a couple of rumbles of thunder where earlier this afternoon we did get some reports of some pretty sizable hail out of a cell that briefly pulsed up. Overnight, very quiet. Temperature sneaking down briefly into the 50s, and we'll start our day near 60 for many. Subtly cooler near the international border as we get going through the morning half of the day. The wind arrows are gone. That means pretty quiet as far as wind is concerned. Tomorrow afternoon, the best chance for those spotty thunder showers that we saw today and that we saw on Sunday will be off into central Minnesota, so that boundary shifts a little bit farther to the east, and that's where we expect them. I would not count on rain, but we could have some passing showers of briefly heavy rain and a little bit of lightning. Heading into your evening, once again after the sunset, that quiets down. Temperatures do get a few degrees warmer tomorrow. Here is the tail of the tape for Fargo. First thing in the morning, 59. As you start out in the mid-afternoon hours, we're expecting things to rise into the 80s and stay put from mid-afternoon all the way through your evening with mostly sunny skies. It looks like a quiet day. Wind not too ridiculous as well, generally under 15 miles per hour. 9:26 the time of sunset tomorrow as well. We'll have plenty of 80s out there. The warmest weather looks to be for our South Dakota counties and Lakes country, enjoying upper 70s to around 80 as well, as we warm just a few degrees over those temperatures that we saw today. And maybe if you are in, say, the Bemidji area, Park Rapids or Sabika, you may see one of these tomorrow from the shower chances that you have. Paul, thanks for sharing this great Trail County rainbow. All right, the planning forecast shows this heat we're hearing about in the western United States, record heat in parts of Canada. The triple-digit heat spreads into the Rocky Mountains of Montana as we close out the work week. For us, plenty of 90s where you see the bright red colors. We'll sneak in and stick around with some 100-degree weather near Winnipeg, not out of the question as we go through the holiday weekend before cooler pool of air works its way down. Here's what that looks like with the numbers, and it does look like we have a spotty thunderstorm on Wednesday. We close out the work week hot, hot, hot. Temperatures near 90 or above 90 Friday, Saturday. Then on Sunday, on the 4th of July, most of the day looks quiet. Models differ in the timing of a cold front moving through, but for right now, it does look like late in the day on the 4th of July. Mother Nature might throw in a little bit of extracurricular activity in the skies across the valley. We'll keep you posted as to those chances. It will bring cooler air to start the next work week, Mike.
I know you'll keep us posted. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Firefighters are sounding the alarm.